Right, here's Barnabas the shark's brain.
It's Barnabas.
We have here the cerebrum, which also has right by it the olfactory tract, which connects in here to the olfactory sac and olfactory lobe. And then back here we have the, let's see, we have the cerebrum right here.
Okay.
4 is the optic lobe here. Here is the cerebellum. Here is our spinal cord, comes down here.
And underneath the cerebellum is the auricle.
Oracles,
Two little oracles, yeah.
2 little oracles somewhere under there. Then we have the 4th ventricle in the middle. We have medulla oblongata, somewhere around here.
I think it's those two.
And then I think that covers it.
We also have a little nerve coming into the eyeball right there.
That's right.
Optic nerve.
All sorts of cool stuff down there.
And then, yeah, if you keep following this down, that's the spinal cord down in here.
Yeah. Okay, cool.